And next up, we have the Life Sciences track. So of course, we have to give a big thank you to all of our sponsors as well as the judges for Life Sciences. So I'd also like to introduce David Lucchino and Dr. Chris Luce, 2006 Business Plan Competition winners for Sempris Biosciences, who will be presenting the award following the track winner announcement. David Lucchino, Dr. Chris Luce, and MIT professor Robert Langer co-founded Sempris Biosciences after winning the grand prize at the 2006 100K entrepreneurship competition. David earned his MBA at MIT Sloan School of Management as an Alfred P. Sloan Fellow, and Dr. Luce earned his PhD at MIT in chemical engineering, where he held a Hertz Foundation Fellowship. And we'll also hear more from Sempris during our alumni video, which is shortly to come. So please give me a hand in congratulating all of the Life Sciences finalists. And congratulations to the Life Sciences runner-up recipient of $5,000, Selenix Diagnostics. And the winner of $15,000 and the Life Sciences Award is Zinaura. If you could come up and let's see your pitch.
I'm Heather Klein, and this is Drew Cronin-Fine, and we're the co-founders of Zinaura. Zinaura is dedicated to the development of a drug called Huperzine A for epilepsy and for pain. There are 60 million epilepsy patients worldwide, and this patient population is characterized by a profound level of unmet need. 1/3 of epilepsy patients are refractory, and what that means is that there's no medicine currently available on the market today that works to reduce the frequency of their seizures. Another 1/3 experience debilitating side effects as a result of anti-epileptic drugs. Epilepsy results from a number of different seizure initiation pathways. Some of these pathways are addressed by current medications, and others are not. The refractory epilepsy population experiences uncontrolled seizures because their pathways are among those that are unaddressed by current medications. Think for a minute what it would be like to live with uncontrolled seizures. These patients experience a loss of independence, and many can't work or drive. Some have to wear helmets. Patients with this condition who are also parents talk about being worried to be left alone with their children. Many patients experience a profound sense of isolation, and they're shunned by friends and family who are frightened by or don't understand their condition. And even for patients whose epilepsy is controlled on current medications, the trade-off isn't always clear between which is worse, living with the seizures themselves or living with the debilitating side effects of these medications. Patients on these medications talk about feeling as though they're in a fog, feeling like they have a blanket over their heads. Some experience memory loss, others experience changes in their mood, and children on these medications can have difficulty in school or experience long-term learning disabilities. So I've talked a lot about the problem. Let me introduce you to the solution. Huperzine A is a drug that directly addresses many of these areas of unmet need. It has 2 novel mechanisms of action in epilepsy, and what that means is that it acts on different pathways from the pathways addressed by all other epilepsy medications on the market, and it has the potential to address a portion of the refractory epilepsy population. It's not addictive, non-sedating, and not associated with cognitive impairment. So this is an extremely preferable side effect profile and has the advantage over existing anti-epileptic drugs and has the potential to significantly improve patient quality of life. Huperzine A has a long history of development in humans in China and is widely considered safe and well tolerated. It also has excellent preclinical results, indicating that it's de-risked in terms of human efficacy as well. What we'd like to leave you with today is the fact that Zinaura offers investors the opportunity to make an excellent business decision. We have an asset that's de-risked both in terms of safety and in terms of efficacy. It addresses an extraordinarily large market with a profound level of unmet need. But also consider the sheer impact that this technology could have. There are 5 million epilepsy patients in the US and Europe alone. And 2/3 of these patients are underserved, either because they're unresponsive to current medications or because the debilitating side effects of these medications severely compromise their quality of life. In short, Zinaura and its investors have the potential to make a difference in the lives of millions of patients. Thank you very much.